In this video, I will show you how to connect Google domain to Google site. Now we have in here our Google site and you can head over right here to our Squarespace. For example, let's search in here for a domain that we want to use. And then in here, you can see if those options are available or you can just choose in here some options. So for example, we have in here this family or .us. Just click on this cart option in order to add it to your cart and then check out that particular domain. Once you have purchased that domain, head over right here again to your site's Google and click on this gear icon or the settings. We have in here this custom domains option. From in there, click on this start setup and then enter in here the domain that you have just purchased from your Google domain. Now you just need to make sure that this domain is verified. So click on this verify your ownership. And then in here, you have in here the domain. Just click on this continue and it will check verification. So if it actually head over and then you can see in here the domain ownership by a DNS, just copy it through the Squarespace domain that you have.